A torn page that has overlapping or ragged fiber edges should be repaired with Norbond liquid plastic adhesive. Here are the supplies you'll need: Demco Norbond adhesive, a bone folder, cheesecloth, waxed paper, a mending stick, and rubber bands. Place waxed paper beneath the repair page. Use a mending stick dipped in Norbond and lightly and evenly roll it along the torn edge. Carefully fit the edges together and blot off excess adhesive with some cheesecloth. Place a second sheet of wax paper on top of the repair and gently smooth with a bone folder. Close and secure the book with rubber bands or weights and let dry for 24 hours.